Matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that are enclosed by brackets is called matrix. Plural is matrices. Example of matrix is these are the brackets and the numbers are enclosed in a bracket. These numbers inside the brackets are called elements or entries. Now, order of matrix. What is it? For example, if we have a set of matrix A, the numbers inside the matrix are 4, 3, 2, 0, 1, 6. So what is the order of the matrix? Order of matrix is the numbers which are inside the matrix, how they are arranging in the matrix. This is called the order of the matrix. For example, the numbers 4, 3, 2 are in the horizontal way. So this is called row 1, and 0, 1, 6 are the numbers arranging in row 2. The numbers, for example, from up and down, 4 and 0 are in columns. So it is indicated as column 1, 3, 1 is column 2, and 2, 6 is column 3. So the order of the matrix is, or the arrangement of the number of columns and rows of matrix A can be written as M by N, where M are the number of columns, number of rows. Rows come first, and N indicate the number of columns. So this matrix A has the number of rows, how many? 2. So we may write 2 here, and the number of columns are 3. So we can write 3 here. If we multiply 2 3 times, it gives 6. This 6 number shows that the matrix A has 6 numbers in the form of column and rows. So the order of matrix A will be 2 by 3. Now, equal matrix. What are equal matrix? Let we have two matrix matrix A has numbers, for example 2, 4 and 1 minus 2, and the matrix B has 2, 1, 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2. So matrix A, the order of the matrix will be, there are how many rows and columns? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of matrix A will be, row come first. So how many rows? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. The next matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. Now in column 2 we have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4 and minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. So which is equal to the matrix A of column 2. So the matrix, the order of matrix B will be 2 by 2. When the order of the matrix A and B are same, orders are same, orders are same, the matrix will be equal. So matrix A is equal to matrix B because their orders are same and their corresponding elements are equal. So A and B are equal matrix.